A bus is travelling along a straight road ABC and is slowing down at a constant rate. The bus takes 6 seconds to travel the 72 metres from A to B, and it takes another 6 seconds to travel 36 metres from B to C. Find the speed at A and the acceleration of the bus. Find how far beyond C the bus travels before coming to rest. So drawing a diagram. So it's always good to draw a diagram in a mechanics problem. So we're going to mark on A, B, C. This is the bus. We know from A to B is 72 metres, and from B to C is 36. The time will be 6 for that part and 6 seconds for that part. And we know the acceleration is a constant, so we can use the Suvat equations. So if we split the problem up, we first do from A to B and then from A to C. We do that, in each case we will get the same initial velocity. And we're going to have two unknowns here. One is the initial velocity that we need to find and the acceleration, so you need to make up two equations. So we're going to use S is equal to ut plus a half at squared. We can do because the acceleration is a constant, and we would expect a to be negative. So for AB, this bit, it goes 72 metres, ut 6 times u plus a half times the acceleration times 6 squared. Now that gives 72 is going to be 6u. 6 squared is 36 divided by 2, which is 18a. These are all divisible by 6, so we'll cancel down. We're going to get 12 is equal to u plus 3a. We'll call that equation 1. Now from AC, you have to do AC, not BC, because you've got the same value of u from here. That's now 108. 72 plus 36 is equal to 12, because the total time from here to here is 12 seconds, plus a half times a times 12 squared. So that's going to give 108 is equal to 12u. 12 squared is 144, divided by 2 is 72. And then cancelling down by 12, you're going to get 9 is equal to u plus 6a. We'll call that equation 2. Right, so we now need to solve these two equations. So writing them out again. If we did 1 take away 2, that means 12 take away 9, which is 3. U take away u is nothing. 3 take away 6, which gives me minus 3a. So that gives me a is minus 1 metres per second squared. We've studied it to be negative. Substitute back either into 1 or 2. We're going to do 1. So we're going to get that 12 is equal to u plus 3 times minus 1. So that gives that u will be 15 metres per second. Right, we now have to say that the speed at A is 15 metres per second and the acceleration was minus 1 metres per second. Just a little slight mistake there. That should be squared, because it's an acceleration. Okay, so moving on, we require to know how far past it goes C, so we need to know where V is equal to 0, and we have that U is 15 metres per second and A is minus 1 metre per second, and we want to find S. So using V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS, we're going to have that 0 is equal to 15 squared plus 2 times minus 1 times S. 15 squared is 255, so we're going to have that 2s, so taking the 2s over here, so it's minus 2s here, it becomes 2s here, and therefore s is 112.5 metres. But that tells me the distance where it stops from A. I need to how far it goes past C. So the distance beyond C will be the 112.5 minus the 72 minus the 36, which gives me 4.5 metres. So this has been a video to show you how far a bus will stop after a certain point with constant acceleration. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.